There was a time when people thought the Earth was a level plain between two mountains that were set there to hold up the sky, and that the stars were lit.
We did some race boarding, like back in the day, you know, in the 90s. In the 90s, when there weren't no soft boards and shit. There was only hard boots, hard boards.
Yes, I was drunk. You be the same. The windows were bending and decorated with rain. I couldn't speak, cause my thinking was stunned. I picked up the keys, you forced me to run. Nothing could stop me leaving. The impulse runs through my blood. And I hope you live for your freedom. I hope you enjoy the lust. And I got in a car and put it in your car. You know I still have control. You know I wanted to stay. The car in front, you're tapping on off the brakes. Nothing can stop me. The impulse runs through my blood. I hope you live for your freedom. I hope you enjoy the loss. So I let go. So I let go. Ignoring the lanes that mark out the road. And I wanted to meet the one with the healthy glow. So I let go. You made me let go. I think I just needed a rush, needed a rush. Think I just needed a rush, needed a rush. Think I just needed a rush, needed a rush. Think I just needed a rush, needed a rush.
Beautiful step over jump, going down. Hopefully tomorrow.
Nothing can stop me speeding or missing that bend in the road. I need a head-on collision. It's how I lost control. So I let go. So I let go. Ignoring the lanes that mark out the road. Wanted to meet the one with the healthy glow. So I let go. You made me let go. I think I just needed a rush, needed a rush. Think I just needed a rush, needed a rush. Think I just needed a rush, needed a rush. Think I just needed a rush, needed a rush. Think I just needed a rush, needed a rush. Think I just needed a rush, needed a rush. Think I just needed a rush, needed a rush. Think I just needed a rush, needed a rush.
Next time on the Grilosodes.
Yeah, we're here in Beijing for the Air and Style, and we're just done, so we're gonna head over to Austria, to Absolute Park, where there's gonna be a sick jump build.